Alright, welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to the Chupacabra Tutorials channel. I'm your host, Larry, and today we're back to check out another Discord music bot, taking a look at Earth, which offers the best music bot for Discord. It's got a couple different versions of the bot that if you pay for it, you can get like more of them on your server, including Earth 2, Earth 3, and also Milky Music. Not sure what the difference is that it's called Milky Music versus Earth. And this bot offers the ability to play music from YouTube, Spotify, SoundCloud, and others, and is promising 90%, 99% uptime, lowest ping, volume control, high quality music, 24/7 in a voice channel, and also music filters. So I've already invited this. It just uses the standard Discord bot invite process. Once you click on this, it just uses the invite link, and then it throws into your server and it uses slash commands right off the bat. There is no prefix, so we'll just type in slash help, and we'll use the one from Earth Music. And this one shows you all of the different commands. So it's got your typical music control commands. You can search for music, you can play music directly from a URL link from YouTube, SoundCloud, or Spotify. It allows you to start, stop, play, check the queue, remove stuff from the queue, remove duplicates, replay a song, rewind the song, shuffle the songs, all of that good stuff. You can also play 24/7 music. You can invite it to your server from another server if you have access to the commands. And you can do things like see more about information, fix the connection if it's being a little bit laggy, and seeing the uptime. And then if you pay for premium, it offers you a bunch of different filters for your music, 24/7 uptime, so you can have it like a radio station on your server all the time. And its primary sources are YouTube, SoundCloud, and Spotify, which is convenient that they show you down here at the bottom. So let's go ahead and just start with a search, because I like that when bots allow you to search for music directly, or play music by just putting in a name. So we're going to search for NCS. And first it's reminding me that I need to actually be in a voice chat channel for it to actually want to play music for me. So we'll search for NCS because they don't ping me and get me in trouble for copywritten music. And we'll just grab this one right here. And it should immediately, which it did, start playing music in the same channel. Let me turn my volume down a little bit. And you can immediately start hearing that it's snappy, and as far as I can tell, pretty good quality music. And it's got all the buttons to control the queue right here. You can pause the song. You can then resume the song. You can skip it, loop it, or shuffle whatever's in the queue. And then if you wanted to, you could just type in play and then add the song like NCS, and it'll just grab the first result, the top 50 most popular songs by them, and add it to the queue. We'll also just play Hamster Dance. And then let's just add, I don't know, what else is good? Despacito. Just for funsies. And then we can check out the queue and see what's coming up next in the queue. So you can see current track is playing the top 20, followed by the top 50 most popular songs, followed by the Hamster Dance, and followed by Despacito. We can then type in remove, and then we can remove number 2 if we find that somebody trollishly added the Hamster Dance to the queue. So it's really easy to manage that sort of stuff. And then it'll automatically just start playing through the songs that are currently in your queue. As you can see the time it'll take right here in the timestamp. And you can even go forward and back in the queue from buttons right here. So let's check out those commands again. So we can also check out the prefix, although I feel like that particular feature is becoming quickly outdated in a lot of bots simply because it's being phased out. So if you see a bot that only uses prefixes, it might be something to be wary of, because eventually Discord has been threatening to disable the ability for bots to just use prefix commands to do stuff without the slash. So let's go ahead and stop the bot. And that'll just stop the player. Now, sometimes this kicks them out of the channel with you. This one's just stopping it for right now, and I can click slash disconnect if I wanted to leave the channel. We can also go about and see more information about it. You can see it's owned by these users right down here at the bottom, and thanks to all of their supporters who pay for premium. You can also check out like what they offer for premium. So right here, they've got like premium rates down here. So for almost $4 a month, you can get one premium server. And it gives you all these bonuses, and it goes up to like $10 a month, which is about standard as far as I can tell from different bots that I've looked at. And then some of these commands are obviously locked down so that you can only use them if you pay for it, but quite a few of these are actually 100% free. So if I type in /ping, you can actually see what the bot's current ping is to your server, and 42 milliseconds is a pretty good time. We'll just play some more NCS again. Yeah, there you go. It just pops right into the channel and immediately starts playing music. And I will say this is only happening at like 2 o'clock in the afternoon is when I'm playing this music, just before 2 o'clock, so it's not like I'm doing this during peak hours. So again, if you're playing this at like 8 o'clock at night when a bunch of people are using this bot, your mileage may vary. But so far it's been pretty snappy and it's been pretty good quality. So let's go ahead and... what other commands can we do to check out some more stuff? You can change the announcement settings. Let's see what settings commands are available. I don't want to reset the settings. I just want to use... okay, so that just defaults all the settings back in case you change something and you're not sure what broke or changed. We can fix it, /fix. Let's see what /fix does for us. Ah, so it just reset the voice region to the one that it found with the lowest ping. So what does that give us for ping now? 33 milliseconds, so the ping actually got better after I used the fix command. That's pretty good. So if you're having problems with lag with this, you can use the fix command. And they also have a Discord community. So if you need help or troubleshooting or technical support by typing in /support, it will invite you to their support server by just clicking on this link right here, and you can go talk to the actual admins themselves, and they should be able to help you figure out any problems that you might be having. And then what does our profile do? Okay, so if you have a premium profile, it'll actually let you track what kind of music everyone's listening to on your server and give you types of achievements and stuff. That's kind of cool, and you get a little badge. Neat. Alright, but this, at its core, this is a music bot that does all of the things that people know and love. It plays your music, it tries to play them at the highest quality possible, with the lowest latency possible. It's got filters like a bunch of other bots do. It's got all the standard music commands that you'd expect it to have, and a few different settings here that you can mess with. 24/7 mode, which requires you to pay for it. Or it also, some of these commands let you vote for it every 24 hours to unlock certain features. So yeah, check it out for yourselves. This has been Earthbot, Earth Music. You can get it here. I'll link you to their website in the video description below, and you can check out what they have to offer. But the core features of this bot are free. The ability to play music, to add music to the queue, and all of that stuff. I think the only thing I'm not seeing right off the bat is the ability to add a DJ to control that, or any specific information about designating somebody who could be a DJ. But that's pretty minor. I mean, not everybody even uses the DJ settings in every bot, so that might be something you can get if you pay for a premium bot, and you can lock it down so that only your admins or your moderators can use it. So that'd be it for this one, ladies and gentlemen. I've been your host, Larry. This has been a brief look at another music bot. I hope you found this helpful. I will catch you next time. Bye, everybody, and have a good one.